Hello everyone in Cyber World, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. Today we're going to do a really fun DIY project and teach you how to replace the garage light.
Before we get started, some of our regular viewers probably know that we haven't been posting every week. It's been getting closer to one every other week. We've run into a few issues. We've been collaborating with some companies. They've asked us to delay some things and so forth. But anyhow, there's been some mix-ups that have caused us. We had some videos that we can't post as of yet. Also, we have become very, very busy. Our woodworking business, although it was supposed to be kind of a side hustle, I'm getting overwhelmed. I shouldn't say overwhelmed. I'm having a lot of fun, but we're getting lots and lots of orders, so much so that I've even got some government organizations that asked if we're incorporated, because if we are, then they can make purchases through the government as well. So we've recently got an LLC, and we've registered our YouTube channel as well as our small little woodworking business, and into that it hasn't been approved as of yet. The LLC has, but anyhow, you in the future here, you probably will see some little signs that say a certain name for our LLC. It might be in the corner, it might be on our pages, but anyhow, we've been busy, so we finally got an opportunity that we got back to our roots in a DIY project. And as she had mentioned, we're going to show you how we replaced our garage ceiling mounted garage light. The previous one went out on us, and we were looking around, we found one. It's actually inexpensive, but it suits our needs better than any of the other ones, and we're going to do a step-by-step and show you how to do this. So let's get right into it. Now, in this particular case today, we've already taken down the existing light, but there's something I want to talk to you about. Before you actually do something like this is something that's very important that you should have. It's a little tester. The tester just tells you whether the wire that you're working with is live or not, whether it's hot or not, whether you'll get your shocked or not. So all you have to do is press the little button near one of the wires. That one beeped like that, meaning that this particular thing is hot. We're going to go ahead and turn off the switch, and we'll show you what happens when you turn it off. And now we're safe.
Very important, before you do anything electrical, please come to the panel and turn off the breaker.
This particular video is not sponsored, but we opted to go with this particular garage light. It gives us a lot of opportunities where we can change the angles of the light, so we're going to give it a try. All lights are going to be a little bit different on how do you install. We're going to just be able to show you how this particular light is installed, but the concepts are the same. Okay, this light comes with 3 wires. You've got the neutral, you got the ground, and you got the live black. And if you take a look inside here, let's see if we can focus on that there. It says neutral, green, and live. So we're going to go ahead and install those cables by inserting them in here and using a screwdriver to tighten them up top. There.
same for the neutral. Okay, now we have 3 wires connected. These 3 wires will be connected to the wires coming out of the ceiling. Okay, we've cut the wires and we're preparing them. We have the ground, we have the live and the neutral. We're going to show you our little nifty tool here. Put this inside here and just simply squeeze and it cuts off the end for it. Now we're going to match these up. We're going to do the white to white, black to black, and the green goes to the copper wire ground. We'll do so. Using pliers. And continue to twist so the wires themselves will help hold these together. And then cap it off. Okay, now that we got everything capped off nice and clean, we're going to put the wires in the box and line this up. Where'd it go? There it is. And turn.
Now we'll go ahead and turn the breaker back on. And now let's test it out.
Okay, so one of the main reasons that we got this, as we mentioned earlier, is it gives us a lot of flexibility so that we can direct this, the lights, if we're working in the garage and we need a specific location lit up, although this isn't going to light the whole garage, it can be focused to a specific area, and that will help us with filming.
Well, we'll see how easy that was to replace the garage light.
Okay, next week we're not exactly sure which video we're going to be allowed to post, so we're not even going to say anything about it. But until we meet again, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.